Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQB is here, and it's bringing a perfect balance of luxury, practicality, and electric performance to the compact SUV segment. Whether you're looking for an eco-friendly family vehicle or a premium F with all the latest technology, the EQB delivers on all fronts. Today, we're going to explore everything this electric SUV has to offer, from its sleek design and performance to its cutting-edge features and interior comfort. Starting with the exterior, Mercedes-Benz has refined the EQB's styling for 2025, ensuring it remains modern and aerodynamic. At the front, you'll immediately notice the signature EQ design elements, including the closed-off black panel grille with an illuminated Mercedes star. The sleek LED headlights are connected by a horizontal light strip, a signature look across the Mercedes EQ lineup. This not only enhances the futuristic appeal but also improves visibility at night. The front bumper has been slightly redesigned, optimizing aerodynamics and giving the SUV a bolder, more aggressive stance. Moving along the sides, the EQB retains its boxy yet sophisticated shape, ensuring plenty of interior space while maintaining smooth aerodynamic lines. The flush door handles and aerodynamically designed wheels, available in sizes ranging from 18 to 20 inches, contribute to the vehicle's efficiency and modern aesthetic. Subtle character lines run along the length of the vehicle, adding a sense of motion even when it's standing still. At the rear, the EQB showcases a full-width LED light bar that seamlessly connects the taillights, reinforcing its futuristic identity. The Mercedes-Benz badge is placed centrally, with a clean, minimalist bumper design that integrates well with the overall look. A subtle roof spoiler adds a sporty touch while also improving airflow for better efficiency. The rear hatch is designed for convenience, offering a power liftgate as standard to make loading and unloading cargo effortless. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, Mercedes-Benz has equipped the 2025 EQB with an improved battery pack that enhances both range and performance. The entry-level EQB 250 Plus features a single-motor front-wheel drive setup, delivering approximately 188 horsepower and a smooth, efficient drive. Stepping up to the EQB 300 4MATIC, you get a dual-motor all-wheel drive system producing around 225 horsepower, providing better traction and more dynamic performance. And for those who want the most power, the EQB 350 4MATIC pushes out 288 horsepower, allowing for a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 6 seconds. That's impressive for a compact luxury SUV, making the EQB not just efficient but also fun to drive. Range is a critical factor for any F, and Mercedes-Benz has made significant improvements here. The 2025 EQB is expected to offer between 250 to 280 miles on a full charge, depending on the model and driving conditions. The improved battery efficiency and optimized regenerative braking system help extend driving range, making the EQB a practical choice for both daily commutes and longer road trips. Charging is also more convenient than ever, with DC fast charging capabilities that allow you to go from 10% to 80% in just about 30 minutes. For home charging, a level 2 charger will fully replenish the battery overnight, ensuring you're ready to go every morning. Stepping inside, the 2025 EQB continues to impress with its luxurious and high-tech cabin. Mercedes-Benz has crafted an interior that blends premium materials with futuristic technology, creating an inviting and comfortable space for both the driver and passengers. High-quality soft-touch materials, optional leather upholstery, and customizable ambient lighting set the tone for a modern, upscale experience. The layout remains clean and sophisticated, with a dual-screen setup that dominates the dashboard. The EQB comes standard with the latest version of Mercedes-Benz's MBUX infotainment system, featuring a pair of 10.25-inch digital displays, one for the instrument cluster and the other for the central infotainment screen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with built-in navigation that includes real-time charging station locations and range estimates based on driving style. The voice assistant has been improved, allowing for more natural and intuitive interactions, so you can control various functions with simple voice commands. Comfort is another strong point for the EQB. With its upright SUV stance, there's plenty of headroom and legroom for passengers in both the front and rear seats. Unlike many compact EVs, the EQB offers an optional third row, making it one of the few electric SUVs in its class that can accommodate up to 7 passengers. While the third row is best suited for children or shorter trips, it adds a level of practicality that many families will appreciate. Cargo space is generous, with a large rear trunk that provides enough room for everyday items, groceries, or luggage for weekend getaways. Folding down the rear seats expands the storage capacity even further, making the EQB a versatile choice for those who need extra space for their adventures. When it comes to driving dynamics, the EQB delivers a smooth, quiet, and refined experience. The electric powertrain ensures instant torque delivery, making acceleration feel effortless. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease, while the steering remains precise and responsive. For those looking for an even more engaging driving experience, the EQB offers different driving modes that adjust throttle response, steering feel, and regenerative braking levels. The Sport mode enhances performance, while Eco mode prioritizes efficiency, giving drivers flexibility depending on their needs. Mercedes-Benz has also equipped the 2025 EQB with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. Higher trims offer even more advanced technology, such as an augmented reality head-up display, automated lane changes, and hands-free driving assistance on highways. The EQB is designed not only to provide a premium driving experience but also to keep occupants safe at all times. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQB represents a well-rounded package in the luxury F market. It combines stylish design, practical versatility, advanced technology, and efficient electric performance in a way that makes it appealing to a broad range of drivers. Whether you're a city commuter looking for an eco-friendly daily driver, a family needing extra space, or an enthusiast seeking an electric SUV with a premium feel, the EQB delivers on all fronts. With its competitive pricing, improved range, and Mercedes-Benz's reputation for luxury and innovation, the EQB is set to be a strong contender in the growing F landscape. If you're considering an electric SUV in 2025, the EQB is definitely worth a test drive. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQB. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Garage for more in-depth car reviews and the latest updates from the automotive world. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.